Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from dynamic programming, which is called find the longest Bitonic sequence from a given sequence. So what is Bitonic sequence? See, first it is increasing, then it is decreasing. So how you will find it? Let's say you have given example 1, 11, 2, 10, 4, 5, 2 and 1. Let's see what is the Bitonic sequence here. So 1, 2, 10, okay, then after that 5, 2 and 1. So first it is increasing, then decreasing. 1, 2, 10, 5 to 1, okay, 1 to 10 and 5 to 1. So now if you need to find it, very simple. If you have seen my video on longest increasing subsequence, it is the extension of that. Okay, so what we do there, first you will find longest increasing subsequence from left to right, then right to left, and then you will just add the value of both indexes and -1. That's it, and whatever is the maximum will be your answer. So for example, let me find the longest increasing subsequence from left to right. Okay, so for this, initially what we do there, we initialize the variable 1, this dp from by 1. Okay, all the value will be 1. Now you will iterate using I and j. So first your I will point to this and j will point to this. If j element j is lesser than element I, so what you do, whatever value you have here for element j, you just do +1 and then replace that with value I. So here 1 is lesser than 11, condition true. So I have 1 here, so 1 plus 1 2, so 2 will come here. Okay, now I plus plus, so now you will reset value of I. Okay, so now I will come here and j will come here. So 1 is lesser than 2. So what is the value of 1? 1 plus 1. Okay, so 2 will come here. So now 11 is not, so j plus plus, j will point to 11. So 11 is not lesser than 2. So okay, so you just reset the value of I. So I plus plus. So I will point to 10 now. Okay, and again you can start j with 0. So j will point to this one. So 1 is lesser than 10. So 1 value is 1. So 1 plus 1. So 2 will come here. Okay, now 11 is not lesser than j plus plus. So j will point to 11. 11 is not lesser than 10. Now j plus plus, j 2. So 2 is lesser than 10. Is condition true. So the value of 2 is 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So here 3 will come. Again reset the value of I and j back. Okay, so now I will point to this 4 and j again will start from 0. Okay, 1 is lesser than 4. Yes, condition true. So value of 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 will come here. Now j plus plus, so j is point to 11. 11 is not lesser than 4. Now j plus plus, j will point to this. 2 is lesser than 4, condition true. So what is the value of 2? 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 will come here. 10, j plus plus, so 10 is not lesser than 4. Okay, so now I plus plus. Okay, so I will point to 5 now. So 1, j will point to 1. Okay, so j is lesser than 5, condition true. So 1 plus 1, 2 will come here. Now 11 is not lesser than 5. Now j plus plus, j 2 is lesser than 5, condition true. So 3 will come here. Now j plus plus, so 10 is not lesser than 5. Again j plus plus, so 4 is lesser than 5. So what is the value of 4? 3. So 3 plus 1, 4 will come here. Okay, now I plus plus, reset the value of I and j back. Okay, and here I will point to 2 now and j will point to this. Okay, so again 1 is lesser than 2, so here 2 will come. 11 is not lesser than 2, 2 is not lesser than 2. Okay, then 10 is not lesser than 2, 4 no nothing. Okay, now it's time for I 1, last one. Okay, so I will point to this and j will point to this. So 1 is lesser than 1, so 2 will come here. Not 2 will come here, it is equal, right? So nothing will change. So your array will be something like this. Let me rewrite it. Okay, so this one will be, what is the new value? The new value is 1 2 2 3 3 4 and 2 1. Okay, now let's do the same thing from right to left. Okay, let me remove all these things which are not required. Okay, so now let's do the same thing from right to left. So this is your array, let's say. Okay, initially I will initialize it with 1, sorry, and then right to left. Okay, so right to left, let me do this. So 2 and 1, so what will come? 1 is lesser than 2, so here 2 will come. Now 5, 2 and 1, so here 2 will come first, and then for this 3 will come. Now 4, 5, 2, 1, so 1 is lesser than 4, so 2 will come. 2 is lesser than 4, so 3 will come, and 5 is not lesser than 4. So now 10, it's time for 10. Okay, let's check. 1 is lesser than 4, 10, so 2 will come here. Now 2 is lesser than 10, so 3 will come here. 5 is lesser than 10, so 4 will come here. And for 4 is lesser than 10, so again 4 will come, but 4 already there. So now it's time for 2. So 1 is lesser than 2, so 2 will come here. 2 is not lesser than 10, nothing will happen. Okay, so now let's check for 11. So 11, 1 is lesser than 11, so 2 will come here. 2 is lesser than 11, so 3 will come here. 5 is lesser than 11, so 4 will come. And then 4 is lesser than, so 4 already there. 10 is lesser than 11, so 5 will come here. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. And then for 1, so it will be 1 only. So what will be the new value? So new value would be, let me write that new value here. That value will be here. Okay, So here this one will be 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, and 1. So now what you need to do, you just do summation of these two values and then minus 1. So here 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1, 1 will come here. 5 plus 2, 7, minus 1, 6 will come here. For 2 plus 2, 4, minus 1, 3 will come here. 4 plus 3, 7, minus 1, 6 will come here. 3 plus 3, 6, so 5 will come here. 3 plus 4, 7, so 6 will come here. 2 plus 2, 3, 4 plus minus 1, 3 will come here. 2 minus 1, 1 will come here. So what is the maximum? Maximum is 6. So that is your answer, and that was our answer only, right? Because the answer was 1, 2, 10, 5, 2, 1. So the length was 6. So that is what you will do, and this is the program. Okay, you will take two arrays, and then you will initialize those arrays. Okay, you will find the LIS for those two arrays, and then at the end max will be pointing to 0. You will combine them and you will find what is the maximum value. Okay, you just do summation of both the value and then minus 1. So, and at the end return max. So that's it. Thank you.